hope you see where I deal with the road.
Yeah, so if you deal with boy, I have to fling away.
Kevin! They killed Kevin! Wicked police, they killed Kevin!
Boy, I've got to call that man, you know. Babylon strike again. One gun at it.
We're not wicked! My brother innocent! My brother innocent! Wicked police!
You them girl are wicked?
So, if you are brother, amount of man for your brother killing a old junk one over, and that's why Jamaica can't better.
I wish I could have resurrect him and kill him again.
But should I left him body make junk and name the boy?
Shaja. No, sir. Wickedness can't done, brother. I don't really go. No. Hey.
So, you know, see justice for the criminal them found.
A waste man that.
Him can't stop me from kill people, you know.
Better know that.
Me I eradicate everything, man.
Them police, you see, man. Them non-stop.
Oi.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! You're wicked!
You're rapid police! Come on, for a crime scene! Hey, boss.
Oh!
Come on, crime scene.
Yo, we need to come on, crime. Hurry up. So, I'm
wicked!
How are you, man?
Can't deal with them ghetto people, I know.
Murder! Why? Murder! What a wicked police them. It's not easy, you know. That's why work young done.
Get up and come talk to me.
Get up and put them weed!
Come man, you don't want justice for your family. Come talk to me, man.